In this tutorial, I'll show you how to increase the number of Google search results displayed per page in Google Chrome. If you prefer seeing more results without repeatedly clicking to the next page, you can adjust this setting from your Google search preferences if it's available for your account and region. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and perform any Google search. Once the search results page loads, click Settings in the top right corner, then select Search Settings. On the Search Settings page, look for the Results per Page option. If it's available, move the slider or choose the number of results you'd like to display on each page. You can increase the value from the default setting to show more results at once. After selecting your preferred number of results, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. Confirm the change if Google asks you to do so. Run another Google search to verify the new setting. You should now see more search results on each page, making it easier to browse through large amounts of information. If you don't see a results per page option, that's normal. Google has removed or limited this setting for many users and regions as part of updates to Google Search. In that case, the number of results displayed is managed automatically and there isn't a built-in Chrome setting to increase it. That's how to increase the number of search results per page in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.